Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD has enough free capacity for the used space on the HDD, because cloning copies live data. Once done, make a quick backup of critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, download and install a reputable disk cloning tool. Choose one that supports SSD alignment and system partitions. Make sure your SSD is connected and visible in the OS before proceeding to the cloning step. You now run the cloning tool and explicitly select the HDD as source and the SSD as target. Double-check drive letters to avoid data loss. Enable SSD alignment and include all system and boot partitions so Windows remains bootable. This improves performance and longevity. If the SSD is smaller, use the tool's resize or fit-to-disk option to shrink partitions proportionally, making sure the Windows system partition remains intact. Proceed with the clone, and once cloning finishes, power off and swap drive connections so the SSD is on the original boot port, or enter BIOS/UEFI and set the SSD as the first boot device. Boot into Windows. You should see the same system but faster. Run disk cleanup, enable trim, and shrink or reformat the old HDD for storage. If Windows won't boot, use Windows Repair Media to repair the bootloader, make sure the active partition is correct, and retry boot order. That repair step fixes most cloning boots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.